welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa Michelle and we are here making the cheddar broccoli soup with added turkey bacon. If you want the details of this recipe, keep watching. So right now I am using frozen broccoli. It's the whole broccoli, so it has like the stem cuts and everything, and I will be roasting it. I'm drizzling some avocado oil, and then the seasonings I'm using, which will be also seasonings that I'll be using throughout the cooking process, which are pepper, salt, parsley, paprika, oregano, and a few other seasonings. All the seasonings and everything will be listed down below. I will be roasting the broccoli at 425 for about 45 minutes. And here we are starting on the turkey bacon. So this is something new. I never made my cheddar broccoli soup with any like added meat or anything. So this is my first time trying that. It was actually really good. But next time I need to get my hands on some beef bacon because I know the beef bacon will set it all the way off. So now I sauteed the red onions. You can use white onions if you have it. All I had was red at the moment. So I cut up one red onion and I saute that. If you have minced garlic, you can also add minced garlic to this part of the process. I didn't have any of that, so I ended up using the dried seasoning for the garlic and onion and everything else. So, and there it is. And then I also have the matchstick carrots because I did not feel like cutting and peeling whole carrots. So we're trying to make this recipe easy, efficient for those who work a lot and you don't want to spend 30-40 minutes prepping. So really the only thing that you really have to cut and prep for this recipe is your bacon and your onions. Everything else is pretty much already like pre-made. All you have to do is season it, put it in the oven, bake it, and so forth. But we added a whole carton of heavy whipping cream. Got that stirred up, let that come to a rolling boil, and then I added in the turkey bacon back in, and then I added in our roasted broccoli, which made this very, very hearty, and I love a nice hearty soup. Let me know down below if you like a nice hearty soup. It's so filling, it makes you feel so comfortable. And then right here I added 1 cup of sour cream just to give it a little bit more creaminess. Then I added 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese. In the next 2 clips you will see 1 cup of mozzarella cheese and then 2 cups of mild cheddar cheese. Now once I added all the cheese, it did make it very, very thick, so I did have to thin it out with some water. And then I also used 1 whole carton of chicken broth. Now I suggest if you want to strictly just use broth for this dish, if you don't want to use chicken broth, of course you can use beef broth. Or if you want to keep it strictly vegetarian and you don't want to add any turkey, bacon, beef, or pork, then you can just use the veggie broth. I used the water because I didn't have any other broths available, and it helped thin it out because it needed to. And then of course you add your seasonings throughout. You season with your salt. That's how I season my food. Of course, you only add your salt in as needed. Don't put a whole lot of salt in because it's easy to make your food less salty when you don't have any salt in it versus you add too much and it's hard to take it out. So, and this is the final product. Let me know down below if you try this recipe and what you think, and also let me know if there's any other recipes you would like to see me create and make. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.